This is our mission, we won't hide. Use our gifts, let love shine.
Hey Pathfinder families, I've got some exciting news, and trust me, you're gonna want to hear this. Between now and the end of 2025, we're asking every Pathfinder and staff member to sign up for just 3 church cleaning slots. And that's it, 3. This is one of our biggest fundraisers, and it helps keep our club running strong with events, supplies, and experiences all year long. But here's the best part. Everyone who completes at least 3 cleanings will earn a spot on a very special trip. We're heading to Branson, Missouri to see the Sight and Sound Theater's live stage production of David. On December 13 through 14, we'll be watching this incredible story of David unfold on one of the most epic stages in the country, packed with music, action, live animals, and powerful moments of faith. You don't want to miss it. And all it takes is 3 cleanings. That's a huge reward for a very small ask. Parents, you can sign up your child and yourself if you're staff using the Sign Up Genius link that I'll be providing to you. Just pick 3 spots, mark your calendar, and you're on your way. When everyone does their part, it makes a big difference. And this is a difference that comes with a seriously awesome bonus. So let's serve together, and let's get ready for Branson, Missouri.
This is our mission, we won't hide. Use our gifts, let love